A kit with 90 animal icons, vector illustrations of tourist attractions like Big Ben or the Statue of Liberty, and even a massive pack with over 100 business icons are just a few of the items we want to share with you in this list of our 10 best vector kits for Adobe Illustrator. So stay with us to find the best kit for your project. Number 10. Scandinavian Summer Vector Set by Darumo Shop. Scandinavian Summer Vector Set is a graphic set that includes isolated elements, frames, and patterns inspired by the Scandinavian graphic design tradition's minimalist geometric style. This kit is ideal for posters, backgrounds, branding, and logos. Number 9. Vector Set of Friendly Monster by Shirongapus. With the monsters included in this pack, you can add happiness to your designs. It contains 21 cute vectors, including 10 monsters and 11 accompanying elements like speech bubbles and wood signs. Number 8. 90 Zoo Animal Elements by Chanet Industries. Hello, and welcome to the zoo. There's a wide range of animals here, including giraffes, elephants, and lions, as well as penguins, polar bears, and koalas. This set is perfect for infographics, slideshow presentations, or branding. Number 7. Set of People Portraits Vector Illustration by Dan Jazia. Next, Dan Jazia has designed a set of 39 portraits with a humorous and abstract twist. The colorful illustrations and contrasting solid backgrounds will undoubtedly catch your audience's attention. Number 6. Vector People by Melrodic. This kit is one of the most versatile on the list because it includes 31 different flat illustrations of human silhouettes in various poses, ideal for infographics, explainer images, and any other project that calls for a human profile. All the items we've seen so far are included with an Envato Elements subscription, along with Illustrator brushes, backgrounds, and tons of type fonts to take your project to the next level. The links are provided in the description below. Now, let's take a look at the top 5 vector kits. Number 5. Hobby and Interest Vector Icon Set by Tellu. This kit includes filled and outlined versions of many popular hobby icons, including baking, cooking, fishing, and gaming. Your download includes a total of 243 files, perfect for completing almost any design. So get this pack and add the 40 icon set to your toolkit. Number 4. World Famous City Landmark Vector Set by Slab Design. In this package, you'll find vector versions of several famous tourist monuments, from the Statue of Liberty to the Great Sphinx of Giza, passing via the Leaning Tower of Pisa and the Christ of Rio de Janeiro. Number 3. School Vector Elements by P. Fort Creativa. Desks, backpacks, books, and microscopes are just some of the icons this set contains. Your download includes the full icon set in various formats like PNG or EPS, saving you valuable time if you want to use them across a range of content types. Number 2. User Interface Vector Set, 90 Icons by Middletone. This kit comprises 90 different images with a clean and clear design, excellent for creating a minimalist interface ranging from emails, smartphones, and music to download, delete, and share icons. Number 1. Business Icons Vector Set by WowOmNom. The number 1 spot on our list goes to this enormous set of over 120 business symbols. Each vector has an executive design that contrasts with creative and joyful coloring to give the image of a seasoned but approachable business. Our 10 best Illustrator vector kits list has come to a finish. Have you found the ideal kit for your next project? Or do you want to download some to keep in your toolbox? Let us know in the comments section. Remember to leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. To access more Envato content, simply click on the video thumbnail displayed in your screen. See you again soon!